Have you ever felt completely overwhelmed by your own emotions? Like anger or anxiety or fear is just driving the car and you're just along for the ride? What if I told you there was an ancient philosophy practiced by Roman emperors that can teach you to master your emotions, not to suppress them, but to understand them and finally take back control? Welcome to Illuminate Me Now. In this video, we're breaking down Stoicism for beginners. I'm going to give you 5 practical steps you can start using today to build a life of peace, resilience, and purpose. Let's be clear. This isn't about becoming an unfeeling robot. It's about becoming the clear-headed driver of your own life. So, what is Stoicism? In simple terms, it's a philosophy designed to help us live the best possible life. It teaches that the path to happiness is found in accepting the moment as it is, not as we wish it were. The good news? You don't need to be a philosopher to understand it. The core of Stoicism is incredibly practical. It's a tool for modern life. The first step, the foundation of everything in Stoicism, is learning to separate what is in your control from what is not. The Stoics used a simple but powerful model called the Dichotomy of Control. It states that some things are up to us and some things are not. What is up to you? Your opinions, your judgments, your desires, your actions, your character. What is not up to you? The way you were born, the color of your hair, time, the past, the future, and what other people say and do. Let that sink in for a second. Other people's opinions of you, not under your control. The weather, not under your control. The stock market, not under your control. But your judgment about the stock market, your reaction to someone's criticism, your effort at work today, those are 100% under your control. Most of our suffering comes from trying to control the uncontrollable. We waste immense energy worrying about things we cannot change. The Stoic solution is radical acceptance. Focus all your energy only on what you can control, your own mind and your own actions. Let go of the rest. Your first practical exercise. Tonight, before bed, I want you to ask yourself, where did I today try to control the uncontrollable? Where did I waste energy? All right, step 1 was about your focus. Step 2 is about your perspective, and it's called negative visualization. This sounds pessimistic, but stay with me. Negative visualization is the practice of imagining the loss of the things you value. Why on earth would you do that? It's not to be gloomy. It's to achieve 2 powerful psychological shifts. First, it immunizes you against fear. By premeditating a loss, you realize you can handle it. You rob the future of its power to scare you. Second, and this is the magic, it makes you appreciate what you have right now. It's the ultimate cure for taking things for granted. Here's how to practice. It takes just 60 seconds. When you're with a loved one, pause for a moment and consciously think, this person will not be here forever. This moment is temporary. This isn't morbid, it's a reality check. Instantly, you will find yourself listening more closely, appreciating their presence more deeply. You stop taking them for granted. Try it with your health. What if I lost my good health? Suddenly, the simple ability to take a walk feels like a gift. This practice transforms your entire outlook. It turns ordinary life into a source of constant gratitude. We've covered focus and perspective. Now, step 3 is about your internal dialogue. This is the core of emotional mastery. The Stoics believed that it's not events that disturb us, but our judgments about those events. Let me say that again. You are not upset because something bad happened. You are upset because you have decided, consciously or not, that it is bad. Between any event and your emotional reaction, there is a split-second space. In that space is your power to choose your judgment. Someone cuts you off in traffic. The event is, a car changed lanes abruptly. Judgment A. That jerk, he disrespected me. This is going to make me late. Result, you feel angry, stressed, and your day is ruined. Judgment B. That driver must be in a real emergency. I hope they're okay. I'll just slow down and stay safe. Result, you feel calm, compassionate, and move on with your day. The event was the same. The emotional outcome was completely different, based solely on your judgment. Your mission is to become a detective of your own thoughts. Catch yourself in that split-second space. When you feel a negative emotion rising, ask, what is the judgment I am making right now that is causing this feeling? Is this judgment true? Is it helpful? This simple question is a superpower. It gives you a pause button on your emotions. Step 4. We move from internal thoughts to external actions. This step is about embracing virtue. For the Stoics, the ultimate goal of life was to live with virtue. But let's translate that from ancient Greek to modern life. Virtue simply means living with wisdom, courage, justice, and self-discipline. It means being a good human being in every situation. The Stoics believed that the only true good is a virtuous character, and the only true bad is a vicious character. Everything else, money, health, fame, is just preferred or dispreferred. They are tools. A hammer can be used to build a house or hurt someone. It is neither good nor bad. It's how it's used. Money is a tool. It can be used for good or for ill. It does not define your moral worth. So how do you practice this? At the end of each day, the Stoics performed a practice known as an evening review. Ask yourself these 3 questions. 1. What did I do well today? Acknowledge where you acted with courage or kindness. 2. Where did I fail to live up to my values? Be honest, but not judgmental. This is about learning, not self-punishment. And 3. How can I do better tomorrow? Turn your failure into a plan for improvement. This 5-minute ritual transforms your life into a continuous journey of growth and self-mastery. We've reached our 5th and final step for beginners. This one is about your relationship with the world. It's the practice of Amor Fati. Amor Fati is a Latin phrase that means love of one's fate. It is the unwavering acceptance of everything that has happened, is happening, and will happen. It's not passive resignation, it's an active, energetic embrace. See every obstacle, every setback, not as a misfortune, but as fuel for your growth. The famous Stoic emperor Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." A project fails. Instead of "why me?" Amor Fati asks, "What does this make possible? What can I learn from this?" You get sick. Instead of complaining, you see it as a chance to practice patience and to appreciate health when it returns. Amor Fati is the ultimate mindset hack. It takes the sting out of life's inevitable difficulties and turns you into an unstoppable, resilient force. Let's do a quick recap of your 5 steps to mastering Stoicism. Step 1. Practice the dichotomy of control. Focus only on what's in your power. Step 2. Use negative visualization to build gratitude and conquer fear. Step 3. Interrogate your judgments to master your emotions. Step 4. Live with virtue and conduct your evening review. Step 5. Embrace your destiny with Amor Fati. You don't need to implement all of this at once. Start with 1 step. Maybe tonight, just try the evening review. Or tomorrow, practice the dichotomy of control when you feel stressed. This is a journey. Be patient with yourself. The goal is progress, not perfection. If this resonated with you and you want to master your mind, then hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Because we're just getting started. This is Illuminate Me Now, Go and live with purpose.